Thokozani, this is Manzi in Zizogamathibula. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Topic namuhla lengifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngayo ithi, does iDlozi choose a partner for you? That's an interesting question, right? Right? Wrong. Okay. Singihlale kahle ne? Singihlala nje ngibhale ifonyana. Yeah. Okay. So, does iDlozi choose a partner for you? Yebo. Yes. Your ancestors do choose a partner for you. They do choose a partner for you, whether you like it or not. So yebo guys, abazali bakuchuzela i-partner. Leyo uyayithanza kumbe awuyithanzi, they do. And in the lenye lebuhlungu about this thing ukuthi maybe utithola you are in a relationship with a guy ne, lo muntu lona say uphethe kahle and you've been dating a very long time or for many years and into this serious and whatnot, and then out of the sudden bamkhiphe bamxoshe nje amxoshe lo nawe ukuthi sekendakaleni yini, bangishaye ngesicitho kwedakaleni yini, bangilone bangithathele, what happened, like umangale nje, maybe say i-relationship yabo ma 5 years, umangale mugaya amane avuke nje out of the blue, suyaqala suyakushouta, akasakuthanza, it does not like this, does not like your food like this, your food is like that, your food is like this. Hey, aqale nje acomplain, wena the way igwa ngakhona, I don't like it, wena the way yena tendo ngakhona nje lamalanga nani. Next thing ubuya endlini late, next thing akabuya endlini. Okay, naloko ngiyakubona, lokho irritateayo futhi uthothi akasabamnima calls akho, sabamnima calls. Mind you, lo muntu lo umatela in and out guys, you've been in a relationship for 7 years ke, ngiyayibona na 5-7 years. Lo tinto ti serious ekhayeni bamati nawe ekhaya kubo bayakwati, like you've done so much together, you've bought things together. Hey guys, I think kubuhlungu. Out of the sudden bamkhiphe nje elonini, bamkhiphe endleleni, next thing soyakuchithela, next thing sekunabantu banyana lafonako ebusuku. Yo, kunzima mntana iDlozi, kunzima. That's the reason why into le mina ngiyifundzile ukuthi, like before I accepted my calling name, I've been into relationships and they did not last. Ngisho ngathi i-relationship yami le lastile yase high school, bengithandana na this guy for vele ngaqala ngaye vele ngijola naye high school ne, kwaphela futhi when I was doing my matric. That's a story for another day. Nakuphela, that was my longest relationship. I don't want to lie, that was my longest relationship. Before ngihlangane nalo ngihlangane naye nyalo leyana futhi incane lo ngihlangane naye ngiyo, that's my longest. Ngisho before ngena kwetindo teDlozi, that was my longest relationship. So nangiceda high school, my relationship nje, it was boma 2 weeks, a month pelile, until I decided ukuthi I think this thing, I'm done, I'm tired, please leave me alone. Please leave me alone, I'm not interested anymore. So ngaqala ngatifundisa, ngacela kuNkulunkulu, ngicela umuntu lo so, uNkulunkulu ungiphe umuntu lo so, uNkulunkulu ngicela ungiphe umuntu latongithandza for mine, who will love me for who I am, not of what I am. Lotongithandza nje athandze mine, ngathandzi the way I dress, the way I look, Angithandi inhliziyo yami, you understand. So ngacela vele, I've been asking, ngacela, and then finally God answered. Nabo gogo bavuma, guys. So tifundiseni kuyacelwa before you do things, ask, because like yobhidli kakhona if you're doing things on your own, kuyoba buhlungu nje. And it's also nalo muntu wakhona like uyamthanza, you do anything for that person, and then bona bavuke bathi no, thina lo asimfuni, lona lo akusiwethu, lo asikamkhethi, lo asimfuni. Nanya lesimfunayo. So Madam iDlozi, please I advise you, before you enter into any relationship, pray about it and phahla cela iDlozini, cause bayachuzelana labantu laba, shame, I don't want to lie to you, especially makhosi ayahlupha and ayaticontrola, guys. Makhosi ayahlupha, afuna tinto tabo ngendlela yabo, ngendlela le right. So please phahlani and ask, kuze kusasa ungakhali mangale se akasakutshena ukutshela ukuthi akasakufuna, umane esangene nentombatane erumini nje, osikansengibani lana in bathi wena usafunani la, phela lo nguye i-main girlfriend nguye i-main girlfriend, nguwife lona, wena ufunani? So ish atini, please ngavumeli abantu laba guys. Please pray about any relationship that you want. Ungasebenzisa imuthi to attract men and or whatnot. Please phahlani, ask, and it shall be given to you. Thokozani, this is thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment below, and then share this video with your friends, family, or whoever. Thank you. Bye.